Hi everyone, my name is 𝗬𝑫𝑆𝑐𝑵 and I am the Budgetarian bride. For today's vlog, I'm going to show you how we can create premium-looking wedding invitations using Greetings Island in under 20 minutes. But before that, I hope you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, subscribe na rin kayo dito sa aming YouTube channel for more wedding planning tips. So, let's proceed with this guide on creating your DIY invitation. But first, you have to do these two steps first. Number one, you have to finalize your wedding details first. It includes your date of the wedding, time of the wedding, name of the church, reception venue, and of course, the full list of your entourage. Once you finalize all those things, you have to proceed with number two. You have to write down or take down notes the wordings that you are going to use for your invitation. Once you have these two things, you can now create your design sa Greetings Island. Right? Before we proceed with Greetings Island, let me show you kung saan kayo makakakuha ng mga invitation wordings just in case wala pa kayong idea how to add your request about dress code, that you prefer cash gifts, and all the requests like that. So to help you out, I'm going to show you my browser. This is for the invitation wordings, just in case wala pa kayong idea kung ano isusulat ninyo sa inyong invitation. So just go to our website, thebudgetarianbride.com, and then go to the menu, and then search for invitation wordings. Then you will see this blog, wedding invitation format for your DIY invitation. Just click the title and you will see the full article. This will help you from page 1 up to the last page of your invitation. It starts with the couple's name, how you can include the name of your parents, how you can include your parents if they are deceased, or what if you have chosen someone else to walk you down the aisle, paano mo siyang isasama sa invitation. I also included it here. And as I mentioned, the wedding details, the entourage. And here are the wedding reminders and requests. So you can see I have here wordings for the dress code. You can choose from any of these phrases para ilagay sa invitation ninyo. Then of course, RSVP. Ang ibig sabihin lang yan is to please reply or respond kung makaka-attend ka ba sa wedding or not. So we have two choices here. And also, ito yung madalas itanong sa akin, Miss Camille, paano kapag nag-send ako ng RSVP request pero hindi naman nagre-reply? How can I follow up? Ayan, meron na rin po akong nilagay dito sa aming blog about it. Then, how can I indicate plus ones are not allowed? You can choose from any of these if you prefer to have an intimate wedding and to announce to them that they cannot bring plus one. And ito, as I mentioned kanina, how you can add that you prefer cash gifts. Ayan, there are so many selections here. Para copy-paste ka na lang when you are creating your designs in Greetings Island website. And then request for unplugged wedding. This is to request your guests not to use their phones while the ceremony is ongoing. And if you're also affected by the pandemic, we also have here invitation wordings for postponed weddings or cutting down of guest list announcement. So those are the things that you can see on our blog. Alright? Now that you have your finalized wedding details, you also have wordings. We are now going to Greetings Island website. And this is the exciting part because you're going to create premium looking wedding invitations like this in under 20 minutes as long as you have the first two details that I mentioned. Alright? So this is Greetings Island homepage. Just go to invitations. Then here's a tab for the wedding invitations. Just click wedding. And this is what you're going to see pagdating sa wedding na tab. Before we proceed with our guide, I just want to clarify, baka may iba sa inyo nagtatanong, is it free to use Greetings Island? Actually, you can access 5,000 plus invitation designs for free. Pwede kayong gumawa ng mga iba't ibang invitations, not just wedding. You can also use it for baptism, for birthdays. Ayan. And then for wedding, they currently have 566 results. So, free yan kapag nag-design kayo, mapiprint ninyo. Yun lang, it comes with watermark. So now, what if naman kung ayoko po ng may watermark? Gusto ko personalize lang ang aming invitation. There's a budgetarian option for you. 59 pesos lang ang kanilang subscription per month. And kung ang gusto mo naman is good for 1 year, you can just go premium for as low as 369 pesos. 1 year access na yon. So, kung hindi pa final lang yung entourage, may pabago-bago pang details, you can just pay 369 pesos. Sobrang laking savings na yan. So, what if naman, meron lang akong isang design na gusto kong makuha, you can buy that design and have a lifetime access for as low as 149 pesos. So, ayun yung mga options din nyo, di ba? Sobrang budgetarian. Pero kung ako sa inyo, punta muna kayo sa website nila, browse the designs. Kapag may nakita na kayo, pwedeng dun lang kayo magbayad para dun mag-start tumakbo yung time ninyo. Right? So, let's proceed. Pagdating natin dito sa mga wedding invitation designs, dito sa left side, pwede nyo pang i-customize para ma-narrow down pa ang inyong search. As you can see, meron ditong themes. For example, beach wedding. They will show you themes related to beach. Or if you want something that is modern and beach, ayan. These are also the invitations where you can choose from. Aside from that, if you want to insert a picture or a photo on your invitation, check nyo lang itong photo only. And then, you can see invitation designs with picture. And then, you can also choose card orientation, portrait, landscape, or square. Alright? So for example, I would like to see the premium design. So, ito, tignan natin. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo that you can go premium for as low as 59 pesos per month o kaya naman 369 pesos for a whole year. O lahat ng birthday gawa natin ng invitations. So, these are the premium designs. So, for example, ito yung gusto ko. Ayan na siya. Meron akong sample niyan. Nocturnal flowers, just click here, the customize. And then, the font and the format are already available. Join us for the wedding of Camille. And Jeff. So, as you can see, ganun lang siya kadali. You just click on the text and then you can edit it. Or if you don't need this text box, you can delete this using this one. Okay? Now, if you want to add a text box, you just click this one, add new text. And here it is. Now, if you want to copy this, gayahin lang natin yung kanyang font. This is Oswald. Search for Oswald. This one, 33. Gagayahin natin, 33. So, that's it. Then, you can change the details. Then, once you're done, if all these details are okay with you, just click Save Draft. 𝗬𝑫𝑵𝑠 Wedding, page 1. Then, you can save draft. You can save it for later. Alright. Now, if you want to create for your principal sponsors, you just have to create a separate page for it. Now, if you think these details are final, you can now choose to either download, print now, or send online. If you choose to download, there are two options. Download image. This option is good if you're going to send this picture to Messenger. If you are going to send this as an e-invite or digital invite. Now, when you download as PDF, there are 3 sizes available. Pwedeng 1 invitation for an A4 size of paper. Pwede namang 2 invitations, and this is recommended. 5x7 yung size niya, or kung mas maliit yung gusto nyo, pwedeng 4 invitations on a paper. This one, I'm holding yung 5x7 na size. Ganito siya kalaki. Just for your reference. So, bakit natin siya download as PDF? You need to download this as PDF because you are going to bring this to a printing shop. Pag pinaprint nyo siya, diretso na yan, compatible na yung size niya, yung scaling niya sa printer. Ayan. Pwede nyo nang i-click download and then mag-download na yan sa inyong computer. Now, kung meron naman kayong printer sa bahay, you can choose to print now. Again, if you are going to choose this one, just click print and then check the settings. Make sure the margins on default and then the scale is on default para ganyan yung size niya. Kasi minsan yung scale pwedeng i-customize. So make sure you check on that. Then click print if you have your own printer. And the third option is to send online. Ito ang cute nito. Ayan, you can create your own event page. You can create your event name. Then the details. For example, this one. And then check additional settings. You can include a phone number or you can make the guest list visible for all guests. And this one, add additional details for guests. Sample parking instructions or the pin sa Waze. You can also add a gift registry or wish list. For example, nag-register sila sa mga department stores. They can link it here. And then, of course, dito sa ating maximum guests allowed, ayan, make sure it's set on 2 so they would know. And then, allow guests to comments, notify when a guest add comments. So, those are the settings that you can check. Now, when you finalize all those settings, just add the name of your guest and their email and then click send. So, lahat ng nilagay mong email, they will receive these e-invites. Alright? Now, if you want to send this via messenger sa chat nyo, you can copy the link. Once they visit the link, ganito yung magiging view nila. Okay? Then, they can click RSVP here. Submit. Up to 2 guests lang, kasi up to 2 lang yung nilagay natin. Yes, maybe, or no, then click submit. Once they click submit, you will be notified sa email. So, those are all the options that you can use with Greetings Island. Diba? Madali lang siyang gamitin. So, I hope this vlog has been helpful for you with your DIY invitation. And I hope you can save a lot of money with this information. Again, if you still have any questions, feel free to comment or send us a message on Facebook or comment on our videos on TikTok. And again, I hope you get the dream wedding that you deserve. Happy preps!